Yeah, is the cheap ones okay?
It's gonna be. Because you ain't got no money. Do you have money? No.
Mom has it.
See, we want.
Do we want to do
Get my
the...
wallet out there.
We want to do the 14 one. The 14 one.
By the way, how you doing? Which watch can I get you today? Righty, did you want to try it for the month for the 21? You can try it either way, one time or 21 for the month.
What's $21?
What's that?
$21 for one time, right?
Yeah.
And then $39.97 for.
That would be after your first month's 21. After that, it'd be 40. But you can cancel it.
Let's just do the month right now.
Okay, no problem. I like to let everybody know because it's the same price. So I'll give you this so that way you can see what you're gonna get. And it'll be $22.94 for you.
$9.94.
Gotcha. Let it catch up to us real quick. There we go. And we got a receipt for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You guys have a good one.
Thanks, you too. Windows up.
Yeah, windows up, cross the fingers.
For what?
Did it work out? Working?
I'm
Just
leaving you
gonna
here.
go free
Get out.
out of spa.
Get out.
No way.
Yeah, way.
Yeah, car neutral. Ticket to float out the brake.
Hey, he needs some help. Get out.
No way.
Yes, he does. He's by himself, see? Get out. You can help him.
No way.
Yes, wait. Get out.
No way.
Yes, way.
No way. Yeah, there we go.
Get out. Help him.
No way.
You want me to?
Yep, there we go. Ooh. Thumbing back.
Get out.
No way. No way.
How about that?
No way. That's the color black.
It's too loud.
Ah, it's too loud. No way. Sure, your polish. Yeah, look down there. What can you shine our tire?
That was stuck.
I know I can go take your pictures. It's okay. Then you remember, stay out of the way. It's very busy.
Well, that's not very busy, but they're busy. They're working on other stuff, but just stay out of the way.
Just stay out of the way.